As reaction to the Supreme Court's overturning of abortion rights in America sweeps the nation, Hollywood studios are focusing on the protection of employees' access to health benefits, including travel. As of yet, they haven't opined on the controversial decision by the conservative court. A Warner Bros. Discovery spokesperson said the company is committed to offering our employees across the country access to consistent and comprehensive healthcare services. In light of the Supreme Court's recent decision, we immediately expanded our healthcare benefits options to cover transportation expenses for employees and their covered family members who need to travel to access abortion and reproductive care. Related story. Hollywood's unions condemn SCOTUS ruling overturning Roe v. Wade, SAG-AFTRA, WGA, IATSE and Actors Equity join chorus of boos. Paramount will support, as we always have, the choices our employees make about their own health care, CEO Bob Bakish said in a note to employees Friday, running down a list of benefits that include certain related travel expenses if the covered health service, such as abortion, is prohibited in your area. Disney executives also communicated directly with staff not long after the decision was released by the Supreme Court this morning. "We here, recognizing the impact of the ruling and committing to quality and affordable care for all staffers no matter where they live or if they need to travel." Netflix said it already offers a travel reimbursement coverage for full-time U.S. employees and their dependents who need to travel for cancer treatment, transplants, gender-affirming care, or abortion through its U.S. health plans. This is a $10,000 lifetime allowance per employee and their dependents per service. NBC Universal parent Comcast declined to comment, but we understand has a travel benefit for both Comcast and Universal employees that includes all covered medical services and procedures that aren't available near an employee's home. And Sony shared with all SBE employees in the U.S. that its medical plans through Aetna provide comprehensive care, including reimbursement for travel if it required to access services available. The Sony group of companies believes employees and dependents should have equal access to healthcare and medical services, including reproductive health care, regardless of their location, it told staffers. Today's ruling will lead to a wave of restrictions across the nation in states with so-called trigger laws or pre-existing laws in place that can be easily activated or enforced. The Center for Reproductive Rights had calculated if the Supreme Court overturned Roe, as it has, abortion would remain accessible in 25 states and likely would be prohibited in 25 states and 3 territories. They are Alabama, American Samoa, Arizona, Arkansas, Georgia, Guam, Idaho, Indiana, Iowa, Kentucky, Louisiana, Michigan, Mississippi, Missouri, Nebraska, North Carolina, North Dakota, the Northern Mariana Islands, Ohio, Oklahoma, Pennsylvania, South Carolina, South Dakota, Tennessee, Texas, Utah, West Virginia, Wisconsin, and Wyoming. Missouri Attorney General Eric Schmidt issued an opinion within minutes of the SCOTUS ruling that triggers parts of a 2019 law effectively ending abortion in the state. The candidate for U.S. Senate Missouri is the first state in the country to do so. The Center for Reproductive Rights, a civil rights nonprofit, also said concern is warranted in New Hampshire, New Mexico, Puerto Rico, U.S. Virgin Islands and Virginia, where abortion rights are not protected by state law.